What's up, guys? It's Mike, and today we just got an awesome package straight from Amazon in the mail, so I can't wait to open it and see what's inside. Alright, so you guys see right here, we have the Dirt Squad trucks right here. We got Diggs, Scoops, and Roland, and I ended up picking these up at Target not too long ago, probably like a day or so ago. They currently go on sale for $5.99, so $6. And basically, yeah, they didn't let me walk out with them, but I ended up getting them anyway somehow. But with that being said, I will be doing a review and unboxing on these things. They're pretty cool. And if you are wondering, the tires are a little bigger than the 164 scale trucks. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the box and see what's inside this from Amazon. Alright, so we got an Amazon box here. It's pretty big. I'm going to take a guess on what it could be here. So let's open this thing up. I didn't really want to dive into it, but whatever. Let's see. It did feel like I hit something. Alright, look at that. Alright, so as you guys do know, Amazon did get these Max D and Gravedigger action figures, dudes, or whatever you want to call it, creatures. Pretty cool. This one's a Gravedigger. The cards are a little bent, but that's okay. That's Gravedigger, and then here is none other than Max D. Pretty cool looking. So, oops. Oh, hi, bud. But we're gonna look at these in the studio here in a second or two. Alright, so we're not going to go in the studio today because I have no time to do it, but we are going to take a little closer look at these. These things are pretty cool. I'm pretty sure there's 3 of them. You got Max D, you got the Gravedigger one, which obviously I really like. I like the skull on the side of the Gravedigger. And then you also have a Pirate's Curse truck, which will be released very shortly, so I cannot wait to see that. So, yeah, short unboxing video here today. Trying to get this out as quick as possible. And, yeah, stay tuned for the Dirt Squad trucks to have a video soon as well. As you can tell, he really wants the Max D truck. So, with that being said, I'll see you guys in another video very shortly.